Did you know that it costs McDonald's $1.91 in advertising just to get you into the drive-thru? And when they sell you a burger for $2.09, they're only actually making just 18 cents. But when they upsell you fries and a Coke for $1.77 more, they make, and more importantly, they keep $1.32 profit. Yes, 8 times the profit of the initial sell. It's pretty cool, don't you think? But what does that have to do with you? Well, if you're like most people who sell stuff online, you set up a website and you started to sell your product. But just like McDonald's, even if people are buying it, after your advertising costs, you're probably not left with enough to even cover your hosting bills. And that's when you realize that if you want to make money online, you can't sell from a flat website. You need to do what McDonald's did and set up a sales funnel. But instead of having people go through a drive-thru window, online they go through a capture page where you can gather their contact information and follow up with them through email. Then, instead of selling them a burger, you have a sales page created to sell your initial product. And while you're probably not going to offer your customers fries and a Coke, you could upsell them on your other products and services. And this is what we call a sales funnel, where website visitors come in the top and cash comes out the bottom. You've seen it work at McDonald's and you've seen it work at Amazon, and you know that it's going to work for you too. So you decide to create your first sales funnel. But after weeks of trial and error, you ask yourself, why does it have to be so hard? All you wanted to do was sell your stuff online, but instead you spent weeks and maybe even months playing with website builders, hiring designers and programmers before you ever made your first penny online. And to us, well, it seems kind of backwards. Shouldn't there be an easy way to create high converting sales and marketing funnels without having to hire an entire staff? We thought so too, and that's why we created ClickFunnels, a simple way to easily create sales funnels that convert. Let me show you how it works. First, you pick which type of funnel you want to create. You can use ClickFunnels to create an automated webinar funnel, a product launch funnel, a sales letter or a sales video funnel. You can even use ClickFunnels to build out membership sites, create landing pages to gather and convert leads. And honestly, we have funnels for almost any type of situation that you can dream of. If you have a business, the chances we have a funnel that will work for you. Now, step number 1 is to choose the funnel type that you want from our professionally designed options. Just click a button and the entire funnel is built for you in less than 10 seconds. Every page, every step, everything. Then step number 2, you click through and simply edit any elements of each of the pages in your funnel. You can change headlines, add in a sign up or subscription form, add your videos, pictures, and customize it to your heart's content. No matter how hard you try, it's impossible to break one of our funnels. And last, just click on the publish button and your first funnel is live and ready to start making sales. And in case you were wondering, yes, ClickFunnels already integrates with your favorite autoresponder, shopping carts, and more. Isn't that awesome? Just imagine next time you have a great idea or you find a new product to sell. Instead of spending days, weeks, or months trying to create the perfect funnel, with ClickFunnels, you're just a few clicks away from a professionally designed website marketing funnel. Because at ClickFunnels, we believe that's how it should be. So what are you waiting for? Let's create your first funnel now.